There's music on CDs, magazines of all kinds, and computers and TVs for amusing the mind. But in the late days of summer, nothing nearly compares to just seeing each other at the Brown County Fair. You can meet Larry Little, taste his prize pickles, homegrown, and hear Grace play the fiddle, who's just 7 years old. There are girls boys are teasing in the caramel apple air of the warm August evening at the Brown County Fair. If the stock market fails you, give the ring toss a try. And if loneliness ails you, stick around for a while. 'Cause there's a band playing later. You can dance in a square, promenade and greet your neighbor at the Brown County Fair. If you're tired of walking, you can sit with your slush, pass the time, people watching, and you might fall in love with the face of a stranger, young and old, strolling there across the unhurried acres of the Brown County Fair. There's a light inside of people, sometimes seen in the eyes, and it hides like a recluse in these complicated times. Some say that it shines out a bit more frequently there. For just $5 you can find out at the Brown County Fair. Some say that it shines out a bit more easily there. Just $5 you can find out, oh, at the Brown County Fair.